In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video into an eBay listing. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, integrating videos into your eBay listings can significantly enhance your buyer's experience and provide more insight into your product. Let's delve into the process and ensure your video complies with eBay's guidelines for a seamless upload. First and foremost, it's crucial to be aware of eBay's current video rules as of 2025. Staying informed about these guidelines will ensure you avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Videos should be no longer than 150 seconds, allowing you to capture essential details without overwhelming potential buyers. They should be in MP4 or MOV format, which are commonly supported and easy to handle. Additionally, your video file must not exceed 150 MB. This size limitation ensures that the platform can handle the video efficiently while maintaining quality. Another critical point to keep in mind is eBay's restriction on including any contact information, logos, or external links within your video. This policy is in place to maintain a trusted environment for buyers and sellers alike, keeping the focus squarely on the product. Remember, you can only add one video per listing, so make it count by highlighting the most important aspects of your product. It's also vital to ensure your video adheres to eBay's video policy guidelines. This includes making sure your content is appropriate and aligns with eBay's standards, which are designed to maintain a professional marketplace. Now let's move into the practical steps of uploading your video. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, navigate to your Seller Hub where you'll manage your listings. From there, head over to the listings section. Here you have the option to create a new listing or modify an existing one depending on your needs. In the appropriate listing, you'll find the photos and video section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the add button to initiate the video upload process. Select the MP4 or MOV file from your computer that you prepared earlier and click open to begin uploading it to eBay. Be patient, as the upload might take a moment depending on the size of your file and your internet speed. After successfully uploading, eBay will take some time to review your video. This process can last up to 24 hours, as it ensures the video meets eBay's guidelines and is safe for viewing. Once approved, your video will appear on your listing, providing buyers a richer, more engaging experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively incorporate a video into your eBay listing, elevating the way you showcase your products to potential buyers. Be sure to follow all guidelines to ensure a smooth process, and happy selling.